Warm greetings to everyone. Good citizen. Under the good values, we learn some types of values. They are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, constitutional values. Let us see the personal values, cultural values, social values in this video. First we see this personal values. Personal value is the basic value for an individual. Some personal values are love. Love means living our values every day. Mercy. Mercy on others. Generosity. Generosity means sharing and giving. Honesty. Be honest. Honesty is the best policy. Tell truth. Don't lie. Truth is that personal value. Friendship. Make a friendship with others. Hospitality. Whenever the people comes to your home, you must receive them you must show that kindness and that love. As like the doctors and nurse, they are showing the kindness to the patients. Like this, we also invite our relatives or any people. We must show our love and kindness. That is hospitality. Then peace. We must keep the peace in and also make others in peace. Tolerance. Make a peace only. Tolerance also join with others and make a peace. Faith. We must have a confident faith. And so on. Next we see this cultural values. Becoming well-mannered and cultured in an essence of the society. Spiritual values, use values, lifestyle values, place values, ethical values. These are coming under the cultural value. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. We are all humans. We must live together as brothers and sisters. Next, we see that social values. How should you behave in public places? We should maintain the following good values in the public places. Maintain good relation with people. Respect elders. Protect nature. Be tolerant. Maintain friendship. These are coming under the social value. Next we see the kings showed the love on the things and animals. That only we will see. The first one, King Sibi. Here we are seeing the person King Sibi. He offered the flesh of his thigh to starve her to save the wounded dove. The king saved the life of the dove because the eagle chased the dove and want to make us a prey. But here, because of the dove, he gave his thigh to the starved her. Next we see Manunidi Cholan. Here we are seeing a picture. He gave the justice to the cow. What is the reason? While the son of that Manunidi Cholan, prince, came in his chariot, without his knowledge, he killed that calf of this cow. So the cow rang the bell in that area. That's why the king heard the noise of that bell ring. He came and saw that what is the matter of this, because the cow only rang the bell. That's why Manunidi Cholan immediately want to give the justice to his son, the prince. Same like this, he put his son on the road and using the chariot and kill his son. Next we see King Pari offered his golden chariot to Mullai, a creeper. While he was traveling on the way of that palace, he saw that there one creeper, Mullai, is lying on the ground and it, without supporting, it is showing something as like it needs some help from the king. So the king thought that, oh, the Mullai need support. So immediately he offered his golden chariot to the Mullai. Keep there and take that creeper and rounding the and help to the creeper to grow. King Behan. Behan offered his sword to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. While he was walking in the garden, he saw that a peacock, that is the season is winter season, that the peacock shivering in cold. That's why King Behan offered his shawl to the peacock and make the peacock warm. Thank you so much.